Just 5 minutes left. Everybody submit your papers.
Arun,
Hmm?
the exam was hard, right?
It was easy for me.
It's always easy for you. I didn't write it properly.
Don't worry, leave it. Without education, everyone becoming great. You'll be like them.
Hmm. Where are you going for vacation?
My dad is building a house in the nearby village.
Is
We are
it?
going there. You?
I have never been to any other place. I'm like a frog in the well.
What if I said, I'll drop you at your home?
Even I really want to. But if someone sees, they'll say something.
Sundari, you will change a lot.
If we like someone, we should change, no? Okay then, don't get late. Take care of your health.
Take care of yourself too.
Mm. I'm leaving then. Hmm?
Come here.
Turn
Come
there,
here.
turn there.
Here. Have this sweet. Have it. It's only Arun's mother who was unfortunate. Please have.
This house represents your mind. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Please have. You missed 5 marks for maths, huh?
Don't worry, you'll get passed next time.
Praise the Lord Jesus.
Good evening,
Good
Father.
evening, my dear children. How many marks have you scored, dear?
1155.
Good. Max, 100%. MTC, you have scored above 95. You can try for engineering. Good luck, my dear.
No, father. I want to be a teacher like my mother.
You want to become a teacher? Not required, dear. It's a very tough job.
It's my mom's wish, father.
Nowadays, this is a very difficult profession, my dear. I would suggest you join some professional course and start learning. You can earn good income also. You can see me suffering, right?
Father.
Think and decide. I've got a lot of work. God bless you, my dear.
Father, I have doubt. Please tell me this time.
What?
What is mean by tease?
Don't play with me.
What is mean by mass?
Don't make me angry.
So you are the tease mass master.
Hey, I'm telling you, don't make me angry. What do you think of... Because of you, I'm going to get transferred and leave this place. Jesus, forgive me, my Lord. Jesus, forgive me, my Lord.
Arun,
Huh?
I heard you want the first rank.
What about you?
I got 0 in everything.
Live it. Only education is not the future for you. You can do something else.
You won't forget me, no?
Even if I want to, I can't. The things that we make, that makes me laugh.
These days I don't fight with anyone. I'm even friends with my grandmom.
I have your Rajamanikyam. I'll give it to you back tomorrow.
Let it be with you itself. Keep it carefully. At least then you'll remember me, no?
By the way, I'm the one who writes I love you, which I gave you.
I know.
But I have to study, have to get a job.
Whenever you remember me, please come home.
Definitely I'll come. My dad number is 94444 87963. Call me when you're free.
Okay, I'm taking this pen as your remembrance.
Don't forget me to invite your marriage, okay?
Okay, I have to leave now.
Bye.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll meet again.
Okay, I'm going then. Bye.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Bye.
Dad, do you know one thing? I got first rank.
Very good. Superb. Come sit, let's go. What's that girl's name?
Sundari, Dad. She's my friend. Classmate.
During our days, even looking at a girl was a big sin. You guys are having fun. Lead a jolly good life and always happy. You've actually scored good marks. You can go for teacher's training after your graduation,
No, Dad.
right?
I'm gonna join now in Teacher Training Institute. If I join now, I'll get job in 2
In
years.
that case, you can apply to each and every place in our district.
Dad!
A second injury on the same wound. How is this happening to you alone, man?
Everything might be for the good. Since the old wound was hit again, they could remove the old bullet away.
This is very fortunate. As soon as you get discharged, come to the temple and perform a ritual for the goddess.
By God's grace, my son was not wounded much.
How long will it take for you to get up and walk?
It might take minimum 6 months. Till then, I do not know how to manage with the household affairs. Please see if I can get somebody for the household job.
Arun? Sharad told me that you're here in the hospital. You're fine, no?
Dad had so bad.
How are you now?
There are 13 stitches. The pain is unbearable.
You'll get well soon.
Dad,
Hmm?
if Sundari says something, it'll happen, Dad.
She was very feared as soon as you got injured. That's why I brought her here.
I've got organic chicken soup for you. Please have it.
I have my lunch now. I have it a little later.
Arun, aren't you getting bored just sitting here? Just take her around.
No, Dad. Okay, Sundari. I can manage here itself. And I get it back by tomorrow, okay?
Uncle, please take care.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Now you got a person already.
Arun, you should get married.
Ooh, I'm just 18, Dad. I'm not ready for it. So don't do that.
I got married at 16 years, son.
That's why you became like this. I have to study because I have some
You
goals.
may proceed, but you should also get married. My daughter-in-law will take care of the house. You may peacefully go for your job.
No, Dad. That'll never gonna happen.
I won't do anything bad for you. Please listen to me.
Dad, the
What,
thing was...
son? For your father and you, there should be someone at home to take care of.
No need.
Hey, don't talk too much. Listen to what I'm saying. Marry this girl.
Which girl?
You don't like that girl or what?
She's a good girl. But I'm scared of her parents' reaction.
We'll ask and see.
Come on, Dad.
Please come inside. Mom, Arun's father's here.
Hello to everyone.
Please do come.
How are you? You're better now?
I'm feeling good.
Go and bring some drinks. Please
Mm.
come inside. Please sit. Sundari used to say everything about your son and his mother. Went off in early age.
Please take your seat, auntie.
It's okay, dear.
We are coming to the straight to the point. For his son, we are asking your daughter's hand for marriage. What's your opinion?
Oh my God.
Hey, what are you doing?
You people are so great. Even we are very poor. You are ready to come forward and marry her. My daughter is very lucky.
Are the ups and downs in our hands? God is the final judge.
Please take. My daughter will be very happy in your family. We all agree with that.
Thank you so much.
It is better to ask our relation also, no? When we are struggling, no one has come forward to help us. Why do you want to ask now?
So I'll let you know after charting out the auspicious date.
I have one condition. After the marriage, I'll bring the sewing machine with me. I'll do the household chores in the daytime, and at night I'll stitch. And the money which I make with it, I'll give my mother. Else they'll find it difficult.
I'll give you money every month.
That is not required. I want to give them the money that I earn myself.
I'm so happy that I got a daughter-in-law who's so hardworking.
Thanks, uncle.
Everything is
Thank
acceptable
you
for
so
us. We are
much.
taking leave
Bye,
for now.
brother.
Son, enough of staring. Come, let's go.
Be careful.
Ah,
Hey, they've come in 4 cars, huh? Oh,
come on,
Come,
come on.
Come, Arun.
hey, boy is very handsome here.
Come, come.
Boy is very handsome.
Take good photographs.
This
Ah,
guy,
okay.
I know him. Hey, he's from the other village. He's from the other village or what?
Come inside, children.
Okay, Dad.
Light the lantern, dear.
really love this place.
Mm-hmm.
What is it over there?
Ocean.
Really?
Mm.
See how she's playing like a kid. Come on, enough, Sundari. Come outside. Don't behave so childishly.
I really love the sea and I love my father very much. I have never been to a sea before this. I cried one whole day telling that I want to see the sea, and my father took us there. On our way to the sea, my father had chest pain and he died over there. After that, my wish was never fulfilled. We always see the sea from the land, right? If we go into the sea, how will the land be? Can we go inside, uncle?
Yes, you can.
Huh?
Come on, go, Sundari. Go. Yeah. Don't feel shy. Go.
After getting married, girls tend to look more beautiful, right?
Don't cast your eye on your daughter-in-law.
This would have cost you a lot.
For both your happiness, I don't mind paying whatever the cost is. Have a great time.
Okay, Dad. Come on, Sundari.
Please give me your blessings, uncle.
God bless you, dear. You may have a long, successful, and happy married life.
Come on. Take care, Sundari.
Hey, dude. It's our personal gift. We can't give this gift in public. That's why.
Thanks.
Very young age, or got married early. Like usually what we say, make merry, have children, is not what we are going to say. Play safe and be happy is all what I have to say. So don't have children now, huh?
Okay, senior. I got it.
According to our budget, we cannot give more than this. When it gets over, you can buy. Or else you can wash this and dry it up. And use it once again.
Okay. You can leave now.
Ah.
Cause I can manage by itself.
Okay, guys, push the boat. Okay, enjoy.
I can go tomorrow. Cause I wanna be with you today.
I was born only for you. You can do anything anytime you want, but your studies should not be affected. You should become a teacher very soon, and I want to tell everybody that I'm a teacher's wife. Now go, my dear. You should come home even if it's a day's leave. We'll have fun.
Dad, I'm going to institute.
Have a safe journey, son. Haven't you taken all your necessary documents?
Yes, Dad. By the way, Sundari.
You don't just worry about her. I'll take care of her. You go and study well.
Okay, Dad.
Have the food at the right time. Take good rest. Call your wife and talk to her daily.
Okay, Dad. I'm leaving now.
Happy journey, son.
Okay, Dad.
such a big hole?
All the rainwater is getting drained into the sea. I just want to get them collected here so that we can use it for the trees here.
Where do you get such ideas from?
This is not my discovery. The farmers in Assam do the same way as I'm doing right now. We are only learning from them.
My dear uncle, you haven't eaten anything since morning. Here, drink this at least.
Give it here, dear. Be careful, dear. You should be a little cautious. Wait, dear, I'll help you. Try going up.
I can't go up.
Give me a hand.
Uncle, you okay, no?
Not really.
I'll bring some food and come.
Oh, Jesus, bless us all. Praise
Hey.
the Lord. Oh, Jesus.
Thesis?
Hey, how come you're here?
I'm here to join an institute. What are you doing here?
I'm the principal of this institute.
What, Paul?
Principal.
Principal.
You need not teach me, okay?
So then I can have some fun here,
My
right?
son, here everybody are giving me very good respect. You please don't mention my usual name and damage my image, okay?
So no one knows about the Theismas matter.
Nobody knows that here. I'll give you complete freedom here. Even if you don't study properly, I will see to it that you're passing. Please don't mention my usual name. It's my humble request.
So whenever I want, I can take a leave. I can bunk the class, okay? But you can't punish me, okay?
Gentleman agreement?
Huh? Huh?
What are you searching?
I'm searching for the gentleman.
Hey!
Thesis.
Okay, come with me. I will complete your admission formalities.
Thank you, Theismas.
It is my humble request. Please don't call me by that name. I beg you, my dear son.
Gentleman agreement?
Okay, my son.
Shut your mouth and come with me.
Very good.
Uncle! Uncle! The elephant is demolishing our house!
What happened, dear?
Uncle! Uncle!
What happened?
Uncle! Elephant!
There's a matchbox under the table. You don't come, stay here. Hey! Go! Hey! Hey! Get away! Hey, go! I said go! Go! Get away! Go! Go! Why did you sleep in the hut, dear?
I was stitching. I just slept off.
Okay, go and sleep in that building.
Okay, Uncle. Uncle, why are you sleeping in the fog? You can come inside, no?
I'm used to it, dear. You may go inside.
Okay.
Give it to me. Sundari? Sundari?
What happened, uncle?
Feeling very thirsty.
Water fell down? Please wait, I'll bring now. Here, uncle. Do you want anything else?
It's raining very heavily outside.
Please sleep inside. Shall I spread a mattress?
No, it's okay. I'll sleep outside.
Why is he so drunk?
Lock the door from inside. What a big sin I was about to commit. My mind is wavering now. A big mistake is gonna happen from my end. I'm getting scared, Chandra. Please save me and our family, Chandra.
Whom are you talking to?
Nothing in particular, dear.
There are no vegetables. Come, let's go fishing.
I am not coming.
Hmm?
You also shouldn't go. I'll buy something from the market.
I'm really bored eating dead fish, uncle. I'll go fishing and bring very good fish and then make gravy. After that, you'll become a fan of my cooking.
You shouldn't go for fishing alone.
The ghost in the sea is not going to kidnap me. Even if it kidnaps me, you'll come and save me, no?
Listen to me. Don't go.
How can a military officer get this scared? You stand by the land and watch. I'll go fishing and come.
I too shall come.
Uncle, stop. We'll do fishing here. Hey, look here.
The waves are becoming violent. Let's go back.
We'll catch some more fish and then go, uncle. I got a big shark, uncle. Ah! 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 Help! Ah! Ah! Help! Help! Ah!
Sundari, open your eyes. Sundari, look here. Sundari. Sundari. Sundari.
Sundari. Sundari.
What?
You swallowed too much of water. That's why.
Oh.
Here, hold my hand.
Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! What are you doing? Have you really gone mad?
Then what do you want me to do? No father would ever do such a big wrong as I've done to my son. Now I don't have any right to live. I got to die. You move. I should die.
If that's the case, even I did a mistake. I'll die first.
No, you are a small girl. You are innocent. Your life has been destroyed by me. I should deserve to die. You move. I should die.
If you die, your son will ask me what happened. He'll definitely know the truth. I'll commit suicide. Or you just kill me.
Oh God.
We'll both commit suicide in that sea itself. Come!
My son will become an orphan. Who else is there for him in this level? We'll go and tell the truth to him. If he's punishing, let him. If he's forgiving us, let him
Oh
do
no,
that.
don't do that. I can't even face him now. Please don't do it.
If I don't tell him, I'll surely die.
No, don't
Listen
do
to
it.
me first. Let him decide. We'll go to him.
Praise the Lord, oh Jesus.
Father,
You are Mr. Victor from military department?
yes, Father.
By the blessings of Jesus, I'm absolutely fine. Maida, you are my old student, right? What are you doing here?
This is Arun's wife.
Arun's wife? You mean to say he's got married? That's really a very surprising news. Both of you, please wait here. I will inform that boy and tell him to come immediately. I didn't think he's such a naughty boy.
I'm really getting scared. Please don't tell Arun now.
Just keep quiet now.
Why did you come here, Dad? You bring her too. Just leave the place.
I gotta tell you something important.
We'll talk later. Just leave and go.
What's it,
Oh,
Arun?
Dad, if anyone finds me that I'm married man, they will troll me. No one know that I'm a married man, Dad. So please go. I'll come there when I get leave. So go. I'll call you later, okay? Bye.
Arun, wait. Arun, just listen to what I'm
Bye,
saying.
Dad.
Welcome, uncle. Actually, I can suspend you even now because you have not informed about your marriage. Shall I do it now?
Master, don't tell about this to anyone. I feel so shy, Master.
So now only you're realizing that I'm your master, right? I will inform the other students that you're a newly married guy. After that, your friends will call you as Uncle, Uncle. How do you feel?
Master, please, Master. You are a gentleman, Master. You can't do that, Master.
No. Do you recollect how did you damage my image? I'm going to inform about you now.
What? Thesis.
My dear son, please don't tell that alone. I will fall at your feet, please.
If you tell anyone about this matter, I'll tell everyone about your matter, okay?
Oh, no. Please don't do that. Let us be very good friends from today. I will not open my mouth at all.
Okay, fine. I'll never tell anyone about this matter.
You?
A gentleman agreement?
May God bless you.
Hey, Thesis.
Hey, you.
Bye, Master.
Bye, my son. Praise the Lord.
Girls will all look like buxom beauties. Stop. This is the house. This is the house. Come. Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
What, sir? After a long back, you're here?
Getting old, right? Not a youth anymore, nah? Leave that aside. How is your life going on now?
I'm always happy. Okay, who is this?
This is my friend. He's from the military.
Yeah, he's looking very stout and strong. Whom do you like?
You yourself take him, sweetheart.
It will cost more than...
Is it so? Is this enough?
Okay, give it to him.
Now
Come
what are
on,
you
get
staring?
in.
Go in. She's all yours. She's a very known person of mine. You don't have to worry at all. Just be happy. Go. I'll be here having a couple of drinks.
Yeah, welcome. Some people likes on cot. Some people likes on floor. How about you? Didn't you see the ladies ever before? Staring like this? Come on. What? You have given money to stare like this, huh? Make it fast. I have lot of customers waiting there for me. Hey, where you going? Wait, I'll call someone else at least.
Hello? RRT Institute Hostel?
Can I speak with Arun from first year BA?
Please hold on. Arun, there's a phone for you.
Hello?
Arun?
Dad? How are you? How's Sundari?
I'm planning to send her to her mother's house, Arun.
Why, Dad?
I don't think it's right to keep her here. At the same time, you are in the hostel.
Dad, she feels so comfortable here. If she goes there, she gets in trouble. If she's not here, who makes you food? So don't do that, Dad.
It's not that, Arun.
Dad, she's so young, Dad. If she did anything wrong, please correct her, Dad.
Arun, please listen to what I'm saying.
Dad, I'm preparing for my exams. I'll come there when I get leave, Dad. Till that, she's gonna be in our home, okay?
Arun, she should be.
Dad, please do this for me, okay? I'll talk to you later.
Arun. Careful. You're good. Hey, careful. I'm getting scared. Here. Bro, careful, bro. Bro, don't drink too much, bro. You're going to spoil your health.
What will happen? I'll die or what?
Let me die.
If I die now, it'll be better for everyone.
He's drunk a little too much. Just take him inside. Where is my little princess? My little sweetheart. Get up, my angel. My angel, get up.
I'm a bad fellow. I'm a cheat. I'm a bloody sinner. Why have I become like this?
Why do you want everybody to know about this? Please come inside.
I don't deserve to live. I should die. Die. Die.
Che, come inside first.
No, dear. I've never dreamt of you like that in my dream itself. Then why the hell did I do like that
Please
with
keep
you?
quiet now.
Dear, please forgive me, dear.
Oh no, have you really gone mad? Please get up.
I can't, dear. I just can't forget what I did with you that day. I'm getting worried now. If I am alive, my son's family is going to get destroyed. Please kill me by poisoning my food, dear.
What are you saying? Oh no. Please don't cry. You're a big man. Don't cry like this. It'll all be okay. First come and take some rest.
I am not a good man, dear. I am a bad fellow. I am a bad fellow. I am a sinner. I am not a good guy. I am a bad guy.
Just keep quiet and rest.
I spoiled your life for nothing. My son Arun, please forgive me. Please forgive me, Arun.
Okay, now you sleep well.
No, I was not watching that video till now. I don't know anything.
Huh? What the hell? How a father supposed to watch A-grade
Actually,
films?
that mobile is not mine. I found it in the road.
I see. If I sell it, I'll get around 15,000. Okay, fine. I'll have myself. Bye.
My dear son, that mobile is mine. After saving my hard-earned money, I got the mobile just today morning. Please give it to me back.
Where do you get this matter?
In YouTube.
Chhi. Don't you shame yourself? You're a father, but you're watching YouTube, RedTube, MedCafe like this?
What is that Meta Cafe?
I'll tell you in front of assembly, okay? Then you'll know it.
No, my dear son. My image will be totally damaged. I should not have committed this mistake at all. Please forgive your master, my
If
dear.
you want to do something like this, get married. Otherwise, don't insult the Holy Father.
Actually, situation makes the people bad, you know? No.
Kill you.
We never bred a chicken that had such a big leg.
This is Rajamanikim that you're eating.
Is it?
Mm.
But you loved Rajamanikam a lot, right?
More than him, I love you very much.
My first wife, Chandra itself, never loved me the way you love.
uh,
I should have been born after 16 years. Or you should have been born before 16 years. We could have had some real good fun, huh?
You're drinking a lot these days.
That's why I feel very happy nowadays. Now you also take a drink. You'll also feel happy.
No, ladies can't drink like that. It's not
Please
right.
try taking 1 or 2 sips. It's good
I'll
after
give
that.
you one now.
Try sniffing this for once. It's really awesome.
I feel like puking. I have no idea how you gulped down all this.
First it'll be bitter, then it'll turn real sweet. That is the real fun of this stuff.
Blech.
Didn't you like it?
This is the only one thing that I really hate about you.
Don't you like it?
Next time you drink this, don't come near me, okay?
Don't you really like it? Are you sure you don't like it?
Mhm.
Here I pour it away. Henceforth I won't take this bloody stuff. Just for you I'll let it go. I'm sure you won't let me go.
Mhm.
Seriously?
Promise.
Promise me?
I promise you that I will never leave you ever.
Hey, don't you have manners? Can't you knock the door before entering?
What nonsense formalities between us?
Hey, I'm warning you, don't play with me, okay? This is the principal room. You are a student. Get up, I say.
Okay, Theseus. Why do you call me?
That's a good habit. Whose pant is this?
This is mine, master. Someone stole this from me like 2 days ago.
Hey, mind your language. What is this?
Kohinoor Kanda, master. How do you get principal even knowing what it
Shut
is?
your mouth.
Hmm.
This is a very decent college. Indecent people like you don't have any place to stay here. I'm going to dismiss you immediately.
Master, this is a small thing, master. For control the population of our country, government is admitting us to use this, master.
Is that so?
Yes, master.
No. You have started playing a lot. You cannot stay in this place anymore.
Master, you watching sex videos. I'm a little guy. Forgive me, master. I'll never do it again. From now, I'll never call you Thesis, master.
Hey.
Mistakes are forgettable. It's written in the Bible, master.
Is that so?
Yes, master. Don't you read Bible correctly?
Hey.
Okay, I'll never cross in your line. You don't cross my line.
Confirm?
Confirm, master.
In that case, I will forgive you.
Thanks.
What?
Nothing.
Nobody can make me a fool, okay?
I see. I'll show you who am I.
You can leave now.
How do I look?
Too superb. Now just wear this and show me.
Mm. me like that. Thanks.
Be careful, sweetheart. You're going to sprain your feet. Come, I'll carry you.
Hey, pass it here, pass it here.
Yeah.
Hey, go.
Just answer and see who's it.
This is some new number. I don't know. Talk and see, no?
Hello?
Hello, I'm Sundari's
Yeah,
mom.
tell me, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? How is Sundari now?
She's really fine here. She's living like a queen here. I'll speak to her.
Who is it?
Your mom, speak.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, dear. You're only sending money for us. But you forgot everyone. You didn't even come once at least to see us.
I'm the only girl here, no, Mom. If I come there, who will manage the house here?
You're speaking well, dear. Okay, how is my son-in-law? Is there anything special?
No, Mom. He's in college. We are planning for that a while later.
Okay, dear. You're just in my eyes. I'll try to come there as early as possible.
Okay, Mom. Inform me before you come.
Okay, dear. Take care.
Don't forget to call me. Call me and then come.
Okay, dear. Bye. She's changed a lot. If she's happy, it's well and good.
Look here, sweetheart. Here, sweetie. Please smile.
Oh, Jesus, bless us all, Almighty.
Good morning, Father.
Good morning, my son.
Good morning,
Very
Father.
good morning.
Master.
Huh?
Where you been all day?
What's your problem, my dear son?
I've come here to give you a mobile.
Why sudden change of mind?
No specific reason.
Okay, then give it back to me.
Before that, you have to watch a super video.
Did you get any new collection, dear?
Yeah, steamy video.
Okay, then let us see. She's little dark. Maybe an African girl. Hey, you idiot! When did you take this?
The day you want me get out from this institute.
My dear son, I have not worn anything inside. Except both of us, others should know that, okay? Please maintain a distance.
How do you wear your pants without wearing
I
enough?
practice it from childhood. I like it very much. Give it, my dear.
Okay, I'll give it to you. But already everyone watching your video.
How is it?
I just upload it on YouTube.
It's a lie.
No, I'm not lying, Master.
Hey, I will not leave anybody. I know what to do now. Till now, you have just seen. Now I'm going to show this entire university. Nobody can avoid me. Are you trying to play the fool with me? I will not leave anybody. I'm not going to leave anybody. Just wait and watch.
I actually don't like beer, but rum I love. Yes, sweetie, the movie was awesome, right?
The love scenes were really nice.
What happened?
Oh no, it's Arun.
When did you come? You didn't even let us know when you're coming.
Where do you get visitors?
Uncle
Actually, it
bought
was
me
she.
Okay, don't stand here. Come inside.
Come on, let's go.
Where to?
To your home.
For what?
You have to go there for some time.
It was you who said that she would be comfortable here compared to her own house. Now what happened?
No, she have to go.
If I go home, who will take care of his food?
I don't prefer to send her to her house.
You know, she's my wife.
The entire marriage expense was borne by me. If you want, you may keep her. Rent a room near to your college and keep her there with you. Every month I shall send you money for that expense also.
You told me they tease married people in college.
You may go with him, dear. Go get ready, pack your dress and go with him.
No, uncle. Like what he said, I'm leaving to my home itself.
Go. Who stopped you from going anywhere? I'll wander and beg wherever I want to. Let all this property go to hell. Arun, I am your father. I'll only think and do good for you. Please believe me. Look here. Your wife is not a block of jaggery. Nobody is going to swallow her up. Don't try to read between the lines. Just concentrate on your studies. As for Sundari, she'll be very safe and secure here and you need not worry about her. Go, son. Go and do your studies well. Please do come home whenever you get leave and have a nice time with her. You'll miss the connection bus, so just start off now.
Don't worry about me. You please take care.
Hey, bro.
Huh?
What, brother, this way?
My calf is missing. I came searching for it.
That'll be somewhere here. Sit down. Have to pegs and go.
No, sir. I stopped drinking.
Why?
Didn't like it anymore. Stopped drinking.
Huh? Okay, at least sit and talk for some time. You're doing a big mistake. A new vice comes up when the old one goes. Now that you have a new vice, you have left the old one, is it not?
What are you saying?
You see, this piece of wood, I need not burn it by fire. I just need to keep it by the fire. It will start burning by itself. See, these woods are burning nicely, right?
I didn't get you.
After so many years, if I am not able to understand what is going around, then what is my experience?
What are you trying to say?
Don't worry, bro. Whatever is happening in your house, I won't tell anybody. I am also a human being, huh? A similar incident has happened in my life too. My wife didn't have a son. Therefore, we adopted our brother's son. He was just 17 years of age. He was a very loving young boy. My wife and he were in a relationship. I saw it with my eyes. I cautioned, they fled from this place. Having got rid of them, I came to this place. My brother, who was in the military, also died. As a result of which, the government gave me this land. Considering the land as my wife, I am living here for the last 20 years. This kid, a couple of years back, I went to Kanyakumari. There, this kid was roaming like an orphan. I thought I would be of some use to her, therefore brought her here. But the one who does wrong will someday be getting caught. And that day, he will have to face the punishment too. Leave her go. Leave that girl. Daughter-in-law is daughter. Don't spoil her. Let her go. Hey bro, for a woman, a man shouldn't be just a husband alone. He should be a father, brother, friend. All these qualities should be inherited in him. That girl has actually lost her father in the childhood. She might have looked at you as her father. Her desire to be with her father might have attracted her to you. You have also missed your wife, but you have done a mistake. You let her go in peace. You will be happy.
I am understanding that, but my mind is not agreeing to it.
Females have that sort of an attraction. Therefore, it is safe not to get caught in that. Even if you look at a female simply for a whole day, you will get attracted to her. And once you get attracted to her, you can never get away from that. Let her go. Either you send her to her mother's house or send her to her husband. Listen to me. I am talking out of my own experience. Please send her home, or else your entire family will get devastated. Today I got to know this. Tomorrow it should not reach your son's ears. If your son gets to know this, everything ends there. Please try to understand. A man can forgive anyone, mother, sister, or anyone. But if his wife makes a mistake, he can never forgive. Either he will kill her or he will commit suicide. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna send her to her mother's house.
Then you are safe. Do that first.
Come
Where to?
to your mother's house.
Why now?
You also should be happy as well as the people here.
I
also
don't
should
have
be
any problem. I'm not going to go there.
happy. If you don't leave, I'll leave. I'll get lost somewhere.
What happened to you? How will you live if I'm not here?
Don't talk too much.
Why not?
Keep quiet and sit.
Sit.
What's wrong with you? Will you not talk to me? Are you that angry with me? Hmm?
Get down. Come.
I knew it.
What did you know?
That you will never be able to live without me.
As if you can live without me.
Huh?
You little.
Oh God, he's never going to change, I guess. Post,
Come, postman.
a parcel has come for your husband.
Is it?
Yeah, take it.
Greetings to respected Arun Veerabhadran. Your story has been published in this week's book. The relationship which I have with my village is as divine as that with my mom. I love my father very much. He is a military man. My mother is a teacher. I lived with her for 17 years of my life. My mother is a great mom. One day a snake bit her and she died suddenly. I felt that even I might die that day. Soundarya is the one who took my mother's position in my life.
Soundari was 3 years elder than me. We always fight together. She's my classmate. I like her so much. And we became closer. That's love. We loved each other. Marrying the girl that you loved is gift. Soundari is my gift. Being with her is so great, and I'm grateful for it. We've been so happy, but I'm confused. Is she changed now? Is my dad ruining our relationship? I guess my dad and my wife are together. Is that good? Or it is my hallucination? The last 3 days that I have spent there, it's just like Mahakavi Bharati said. The things that I saw are behind the truth that I've saw. Is it right if I doubt my Soundari? Or else should I be like all other men? Everybody usually talks about positive and forward thinking. But how much of truth and fact is there? That nobody knows. My wife, the way she looks, her beautiful eyes, her body, there was genuinity in all of that. That's what I loved. And it is the same me who doubted her. No, my wife is so pure. She can never diss me. Never.
What did I?
I would love to. I wish I could spend my entire life with her. Next time, when I meet her, I shall tell her that I doubted her by mistake. My Soundarya is always good. She will definitely forgive me.
Arun! Oh my God! What the hell has been happening?
Sundara!
Why did you leave us?
Arun.
Sundari! Sundari has left you, my dear! Sundari has left everyone and gone!
Hey, Sundari, why did you do this? Tell me, Sundari.
No, sir. It is better not to look at her face.
I want to see my Sundari. No, this is not my Sundari. This is not my Sundari. She didn't left me. This is not my Sundari. You said my Sundari back to me, but you never did. What did you do? How it's happened?
I really don't know what happened here. Sundari!
Go take bath and come.
Don't show my head too.
You fellow.
The light of our house is no more. She has left us alone. What difference does it make if I have hair or if I don't have hair?
Camera.
Arun, please forgive me. All your doubts are true. I'm not as good as you thought me to be. I really loved you, Arun. There's no doubt in that. But you made a mistake, Arun, by marrying me. If you just left by not marrying me, I would have remembered you lifelong. Our love wouldn't have to go through this fate. You lived with me for 4 days and you left. What else could I have done, Arun? Loneliness, mental depression kept eating me up. That was the time when, under a rare situation, me and your father had to have sex. We both tried a lot to avoid that situation. Our body didn't listen to our minds. Yes, we were in an illicit relation. Only if you were in my position, you'll understand it. But I never knew that you loved me this much, Arun. I didn't know. You're a very good man, Arun. I don't deserve anybody like you. I am 2 months pregnant now, Arun. The truth is that the child is not yours. Arun, I wanted to live lifelong with you. But fate had some other plans for me. Me and your father, we both have made mistakes. But the punishment for this, I'm giving it to myself. You must forgive him, Arun. At least in our next birth, I will live forever with you, Arun. I wish God grants me that wish. You should take care. You should be happy. Like what you mentioned in the story, I understood that we should live a fair life. But I couldn't do that. Now I'm feeling very disgusted with myself. I can never live with you again, Arun. I don't want to be alive in this way. Nobody is responsible for my death. Please forgive me, Arun.
Tell me, why did you ditch me like this? Am I not your son? How could you do this harm to me? Was not a Sundari like a daughter to you? How could you ever spoil her?
I am not a bad man. The situations made me so. In the long 18 years of my military life, I have never done any mistake. Apart from rum and guns, I didn't know anything else. Apart from your mother, I have not looked or thought or disturbed any other female. After I injured my leg and got admitted, I came running thinking that I could live the rest of my life with my wife. But when I came, she left me and went away. What do you think I should have done?
Does it mean you can make your daughter-in-law your wife?
Love and affection I had in plenty like the sea. But to express that, I had nobody. It was then Sundari, my Sundari arrived. Initially, I treated her like my daughter. She too treated me like a father. But fate, that did not leave us alone. Right here, when we came for fishing, one accident. It was me who actually compelled her to do sin. Actually, we just came to your college to tell you that. But you didn't care to listen. A fellow who once commit a mistake will repeat it over and over again when he's left alone. I too did that. Several times. Finally, I became addicted to that luxury. I celebrated to that extent. But my Sundari has gone away, leaving me alone. Her memories are killing me.
When you were committing all these mistakes, didn't you ever feel that you're ditching mom?
Your mother was alone for 18 years. You mean she did not commit any sin? Has she never dished me?
Don't ever talk like that. My mother is not that sort of a lady.
When your wife can ditch you in this such manner, my wife has not at all dished me. How do I believe that? Huh? I am very practical. But Sundari, what a beauty she was. Physically as well as in nature, she was like a goddess. Your mother cannot be at least 10% of Sundari. Sundari is like my wife. No, my wife. I loved her like my own self.
What if I knew the truth? And if I would have done something?
Before that, I would have slaughtered you. After killing you, I would have lived happily with her. But fate dished me. Now I hate my own life. I loved her so much. How beautiful was my Sundari. Beautiful body. Hey, listen. Sundari is my wife. After killing you, I would have married her. She didn't have a single mole in her whole body. After killing you, I would have owned her to my own life. Sundari is my wife. I loved Sundari more than your mother. Oh, my Sundari. My Sundari left me and alone in this world. Sundari.
If a monster like you takes birth here, this planet get contaminated. You go back to the sea. Let the beings there devour you. Let all your sins be nullified.
My dear Sundari. How pleasant was the life with you, Sundari. I would have killed you and I would have owned her as my own. Sundari. After killing you, I would have got married to her. Sundari, you left me and went away. Why did you leave me and go away? I think you jumped off the boat. I am going to meet my dear Sundari. My life is full of my Sundari. Without her, why should I live? Sundari.
Sundari.
Mother, what I've done is right now. I'm not going to feel dejected with whatever has transpired in my life. My fight shall continue, and I shall definitely win in my life. Mother, as you wished, I'll try to be a good teacher. Like you, I teach good words to everyone. Kindly bless me, Mother. Bye, Mother.